What if you can showcase all your reviews from Google My Business to your website directly? WP Social Ninja lets you do that and more. Let's get on with it. To start, head over to the WP Social Ninja dashboard, click Google My Business. You will need an access code for that, so click on Sign in and get access code. Choose your business account, grant access to WP Social Ninja. Once you're signed in, it'll provide you with an access code. Copy it, then head back to Google My Business in WP Social Ninja dashboard. Paste the access code and you're done. Your Google My Business is now connected to your website. But to show reviews, you have to work a bit though. Not gonna waste any precious time, let's show you what you have to do to fetch all those wonderful reviews to your website. Let's move on to customizing your Google My Business reviews. On your right, you'll find two tabs, General and Style. Let's start with the General options. You don't have to do anything here. The platform in the source gets set up by default when you create a template with Google My Business. WP Social Ninja comes with different layout types, grid, slider, masonry, badge, you can choose any. Each layout got 9 different templates you can choose from. You can even try out different badges if you want to go with the badge layouts. You even get a whole new option to tweak with if you choose the badge template. You'll find a pagination option here when you choose any template except for slider. You can either keep your viewers scrolling or leave a button to load more. You can even set the number of reviews to show on each page here for different platforms. If you pick slider, you get a unique option for styling it. Choose which reviews you want to show and what you want to hide from the filter option. You can also choose how many reviews will be shown per pages for different platforms from here. The filter option may also be used to filter by business or product, or filter by category. You get to choose the order or filter by minimum rating. Say you want to show only those reviews that are 4 stars or above. Use this option here. Got any specific reviews you don't want in your feed? Just type in the words and the review won't be shown in your feed if it contains that certain word. You can also show specific reviews in the same way. This settings offers you a lot of options that you can play with. Display, content type, trimming, you name it, and it'll be here. Play with these options at your convenience until you get what you want. You can do away with the header altogether, but we like the look of it, so we'll keep it and edit the elements that we want to show. Of course, you can show all this information or display just the ones you think are necessary. Now, the styling part. WP Social Ninja lets you customize everything. You can customize almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. You will find all these options once you toggle this to enable. And now you can edit how the elements of header, reviewer name, author position, badge, notification, review box, that is everything, are gonna look. We start with the header. From the drop-down, you can change the text color, typography, and spacing of all these elements. You will find background color and padding options in pagination and review box. You can literally pick any color for your text, so we definitely are going for our brand's accent colors here. Now we're gonna change their typography, then spacing. If you're wondering what these icons do, they'll let you switch within different devices, so you can fix how your feed will look on every kind of device. Very important. Now let's save your settings and check out your website. Everything's looking good in here. If you still need help with something, simply comment down below or contact us. We love to help. Keep enjoying our products and subscribe to WPManageNinja.